Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're taking you straight into the heart of Paris, to one of Europe's oldest and most prestigious universities, Sorbonne University. If you've ever dreamed about studying in France, walking the streets of Paris, and learning at a world-class institution, this is your complete step-by-step guide from A to Z on how international students can apply successfully. Sorbonne University is known worldwide for excellence in humanities, arts, languages, sciences, medicine, and engineering, consistently ranking among the top 50 globally. It combines deep tradition with modern innovation, offering high-quality education, rich culture, and global career opportunities, with over 55,000 students, including 20% international students from 140 countries. Plus, living in Paris is a life-changing experience. Art, food, history, and diversity everywhere you go, fostering a vibrant student life with access to cultural landmarks. Sorbonne offers bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, PhD programs, and specialized diplomas in arts, humanities, and sciences. Around 30 programs are fully taught in English, particularly at master's and PhD levels, while most bachelor's programs require French proficiency. Admission requirements depend on your degree level. For bachelor's applicants, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent, academic transcripts, language proficiency, and a motivation letter. Master's applicants require a bachelor's degree in a related field, transcripts, a CV, a statement of purpose, and 2 recommendation letters. For arts programs, a portfolio is also necessary. PhD applicants need a master's degree, a detailed research proposal, supervisor pre-approval, an academic CV, and any relevant publications. Applications are highly competitive, with acceptance rates around 20 to 30% for international spots, so submitting strong documents is essential. Many Sorbonne programs require French proficiency. For French-taught programs, DELF B2 or DAF C1 is usually required. For English-taught programs, you'll typically need an IELTS minimum of 6.5 or a TOEFL IBT minimum of 90. Always check your specific programs page, as requirements differ. You'll need a valid passport copy, passport-size photos, certified academic transcripts and diplomas, and language test results. Also prepare your CV in Europass format, a compelling motivation letter, and 2 to 3 recommendation letters. Graduate students will also need a research proposal. Ensure all documents are translated into French by a sworn translator if needed, and non-EU students submit via the Etudes in France platform. All international student applications go through Campus France unless you're already living in the EU. First, create a Campus France account. Then, fill out your academic profile, upload all required documents, and select Sorbonne University and your chosen program. Pay the evaluation fee, attend the mandatory Campus France interview, and then wait for the university's decision. If accepted, you'll receive your admission letter, which is crucial for applying for your student visa. Master's and PhD applicants may also need to apply directly on Sorbonne's website. To stand out, your motivation letter must be clear and personal. Explain why Sorbonne, why this program, your goals, and relevant achievements. Highlight your fit with Sorbonne's values, like interdisciplinary research, and include a personal story, such as a passion for French literature inspired by Victor Hugo. Studying in France is more affordable than other Western countries, but scholarships significantly help international students. Top options include the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship, Sorbonne University Scholarships, Erasmus Plus Scholarships, and French Government Scholarships. These scholarships may cover tuition, living expenses, or both, with over 1,000 awards annually, covering 50 to 100% of costs. Once accepted, apply for a VLSTS student visa. You'll need your acceptance letter, passport, proof of funds, accommodation proof, and health insurance. Proof of funds typically requires around €615 per month, and visa processing usually takes 2 to 4 weeks. Apply at the French consulate 2 to 3 months pre-departure. Paris is beautiful but expensive. Housing options include CROUS student dorms, shared apartments, private studios, or host families. Monthly living costs range from €900 to €1,500, depending on your lifestyle and location. CROUS dorms are the cheapest option. Campus life at Sorbonne includes cultural festivals, research events, and over 200 student clubs, offering opportunities to explore every corner of Paris. Thank you for watching. If this full guide helped you understand how to apply to Sorbonne University as an international student, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more global education guides. Your journey to Paris starts now, and I hope Sorbonne becomes your next academic home. À bientôt!